Today I'm at the Nalongkone SAA Paper Shop, located just 10 minutes outside the Luang Prabang city centre. Here is Mr. Nalongkone himself, and he is carrying on a family tradition of making the most stunning creations based on a unique paper making process which you will witness in the workshop next door very soon. But for the moment, let's just have a look around this super neat and well laid out shop that displays a gorgeous array of products, all made from SAA paper. Now, you won't find these products at the local night markets. Everything here is very high quality, made with love and care, and it will last many years as a gorgeous memento and a souvenir of your visit to Laos. And it's perfect for travellers, as the paper, of course, is lightweight, and the prices here are very reasonable. And it's even packaged in a bag made from SAA paper, so no plastic here. In fact, the owner, Mr. Nalongkone, has won environmental accolades for his use of sustainable, eco-friendly products sourced from the local forests. Let's now take a quick tour through the SAA paper making workshop located next door. And here's my very good English speaking guide, Kuhn Fa, explaining the process of how it goes from mulberry tree bark to lovely decorative paper. It all starts with the bark of the wild mulberry tree. The bark is boiled in this large pot for 72 hours. It's then mulched into white goo using this not-so-modern machine. And they even gave me a go at it, which was fun. Now that white goo is poured into the water and spread over a screen. You can leave it blank for painting later, or decorate it with flowers picked from Mr. Nalongkone's own garden. The screed is then dried in the sun, cleaned up and made into an assortment of different gifts and Asian-themed artworks. I bought a classic sand art picture made from mica sand sourced from the nearby Mekong River. And you could see the mica gives a nice shine to the auspicious linden tree of life. So I just had to tell you about this great experience. My visit to the Nalongkone SAA Paper Shop was an absolute highlight of my time in the lovely town of Luang Prabang. So when you visit, tell them Pete Miller sent you, okay? Bye for now.